Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what do you do in the morning, please?
Thanks for your asking. Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go to outside for morning work. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. After that, I taking a cup of tea. I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. And that's all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Actually, I get up early in the morning, then I go washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. And that's all. Bye.
Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea. I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. And that's all. Bye.